On WhatsApp, unread messages usually appear as a count on the app icon. But the latest update lets users automatically clear this count without marking messages as read. If you prefer to keep the count, watch this quick video to learn how to change it back. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, go to the Notifications option. Swipe up to scroll down and reach the bottom. Here, you will see the new Clear Count option. If you don't see it, make sure your WhatsApp is updated. By default, this feature clears the home screen badge every time you open the app. If you prefer to keep the count, just toggle the slider off. From now on, the count won't clear when you exit and reopen the app. So that's how you can change the settings for the Clear Count feature on WhatsApp.